Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about job shop manufacturing. Let's jump right into it. What is batch processing? Batch processing is a manufacturing technique where a set quantity of products is produced in one production run. After each batch is completed, the production equipment can be cleaned, reconfigured, or maintained before the next batch begins. Applications of batch processing: pharmaceuticals, production of different drug formulations; food and beverage, small-scale production runs of seasonal or specialty products; chemical manufacturing, producing different chemical compounds in varied quantities. What is continuous processing? Continuous processing manufacturing is a technique where production runs continuously, without interruption. Materials are constantly fed into the system, and the final product is continuously removed, creating a streamlined, ongoing production flow. Applications of continuous processing: petrochemical industry, refining crude oil into various petroleum products; steel manufacturing, continuous casting and rolling processes; paper production, producing paper from wood pulp in a continuous sheet. Check the comparison table between batch processing and continuous process. Conclusion: both batch processing and continuous process have their own strengths and challenges. Understanding the specific needs of your production, including the type of product, demand levels, and available resources, will guide you in choosing the most effective manufacturing process. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.